If you're looking for a budget Bluetooth speaker for an active lifestyle, then this SBode speaker might be what you need. And priced at just about $35, it has a lot going for it. The speaker is IPX6 rated, which means it's highly water resistant. This tight mesh on the side resembles the texture of JBL speakers and is what helps protect it from water splashes and sprays. And the top and bottom have base radiators, also like those found on JBL's Bluetooth speakers. On the back there's an aux input, charging port, and I was really happy to see a micro SD card slot to play music without a phone or external audio source. Pairing to a device is really easy because it powers up in pairing mode.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
No need to figure out what button to push to pair the speaker. This is probably the easiest Bluetooth speaker I've ever connected my phone to. There was no need for me to read the instructions and it only took me a few seconds to connect.
Device paired.
The SBode speaker also includes a built-in FM radio.
FM radio mode.
And you can also do hands-free speaker calls on it. And packaged along with the USB charging cable, SBode even includes a 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth devices. But let's get this speaker wet and see how it performs. Even filled with water, the speaker doesn't sound distorted. I don't intentionally soak my electronics, but I want to see what the speaker could handle. As far as sound quality goes, it sounds decent, but there are a lot of other speakers out there that I think sound better. When I listen to the SBode and a JBL Flip 3 side by side, the JBL definitely has deeper bass and overall has a fuller sound, which I prefer. The SBode has good high frequencies and the bass was tight but not deep like the JBL. With that said though, the SBode is less than half the cost of a JBL Flip 4 with similar water resistance. Plus the FM radio and SD card feature make this an incredible value for a Bluetooth speaker. For $35, I don't think you can go wrong with the SBode for pool and outdoor parties. Oh, and there was one more thing I almost forgot. This has true wireless stereo built in, which means you can connect two SBode speakers together for discrete left and right stereo audio. And you can do this without an app because the two speakers are programmed to connect together automatically. But you do need to own two speakers to do this. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe and help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers. I'm getting really close, so maybe in about another month I'll be there. But in the meantime, I'll keep posting new videos every Monday and Wednesday. I'll see you next time.